Hi everyone. I just wanted to hop on and show you the canvas that I'm doing for an event for breast cancer awareness. It's called DP Pink for BCA. It starts October 1st. And it's just to raise awareness for breast cancer. I think a lot of us probably have experienced this in one way or another, a friend or a family member. So this is from Diamond Art Club. It's a legally licensed piece called Providence. It's by Mandy Manzano. This is my cover minder from Siobhan's Cover Minders on Etsy. I have it all kitted up in my Harbor Freight containers, and I have bordered it in pink with some washi tape from Amazon. This is what it's going to look like. And I chose this piece because everything is in our Lord's hands. But he also made us in his image and gave doctors and nurses loving, caring hands to heal people when they're sick. And so that's just what this reminded me of. So this is my pointer that belongs to my husband. It actually goes to his crossbow. Don't tell him, okay? I needed a pointer. See you later, guys. Bye.